welcome back to my channel. I have been asked to work once again with the scrapbookingstore.com. They are a monthly subscription kit available to you if you like kits delivered straight to your house for $14.95 a month. They do classic scrapbooking kits, so I will show you what's inside the July 2018 kit and then follow this up with a layout or two using these goodies. Okay, so in this month's kit you get a whole pack of the American Crafts townhouse printed chipboard shapes, and they look like all mandalas. So they're kind of, I would say, almost on a thicker side too. Let me just show you a few. Fun pastel colors. So look at those. Very detailed. Can you see all of the the doodling on top of them? So that could be nicely done. I mean, all of this together, I mean, I would probably make one whole layout with. Like, this is a lot, and they're all dimensional, and they're all, like I said, kind of like a pastel color tone. So these alone could probably get you a fantastic layout, but you can use them individually on your layouts too. So you get a whole pack of those. You got the Studio Calico 7th paper journaling cards. This collection is called Goldie, and they have the 3x4 cards, and I believe it comes with the 4x6. Yeah, so it comes with some 4x6 cards as well as the 3x4. So let's open these up a little bit. So that was in the pastel family for those chipboard pieces. These get a little bit brighter, but you could definitely use, like, oh yeah, the pink, like that would go really good as embellishments for that. And then the back side, so it's just kind of half the card on the other side of those. And then the 3x4 cards. Let's just open up all my goodies so I can have them on my desk. So as well, look how fun. Ooh, these are really cool. And I like Project Life cards, so Studio Calico as well, that have the 90-degree edges. I wasn't a fan when they were all rounded, but now everything's coming out with them squared, so that is super fun. So you get the whole collection of the Goldie pocket page cards in your pack. You have American Crafts Memory Planner stickers. They have some gold foiling. You have one sheet, one design, but 2 sheets of them in here. So that's good too, because you know when you only have one, you always are so like hoarding it because you don't know where to use it first. So there's the gold foiling. Love those. And then you got the entire collection of the Echo Park Summer Fun collection. So it's the entire pack. This came in shrink wrap itself, but I already took it out. So in these packs, you get the sticker sheet and like 2 cut apart sheets. I love the colors in this collection. Oh my God, like so bright, fun, and summery. So hence Summer Fun. I love it. So here's the sticker sheet. Give you some close-ups of it. I love the flamingo and the toucan icons, the banners. I love the border. Great sticker sheet. And then the collection. So, let me just go. So this one's called Journaling Cards, but I love the palms of this side. And then this side has the cut aparts. This one's called Sweet Treats, a great like gray wood grain. And then it has ice cream cones in the back. This one's called Journaling Card as well, but a great classic black and white stripe. And then you got 4x4 cards. So you can use this kit too for your pocket pages as well as classic scrapbooking. Flamingo and palm. Love the pineapple, and then love this side too. Like, I wish though, kind of like Kaiser Crafts, they gave you 2 sheets of each one, because I don't know which side to use on some of these. This one's called Summer Floral. Nice like watermelon color, and it has like plus signs on an angle. And then this side, of course, screams my name. Summer Blooms, again that watermelon color with a like a light pink polka dot. And then this darker floral in the back. Sweet Stripe, the watermelons, I love it. And then this nice stripe that features like all the colors in this collection. So that's a good staple. And then this one I love too. And like, this is the problem. Love this flamingo. I would totally use this, but it's called Journaling Card as well because it has all the 4x6. Like I'm so torn. Look how cute. But then I would lose the journaling cards. So splash of summer, a nice like aqua and like a turquoise stripe. I do love this one a lot. And then again, I love this side. It's a great collection. So this one's called Tropical Florals. You got a tone-on-tone palm leaves. And then almost like a smaller printed version of the other one. Very fun. Sunny Days. This yellow on yellow, like tone on tone. And then like almost like a plaid featuring all the colors again. And then this one's called Summer Road Trip, a classic polka dot. Again, a great staple, but look how cute are all the punch buggy cars. Featuring all the colors again. Ah, so cute. So these are all of the papers featured in that kit. I love. So here's one side. I'll show you. And then the other. They go so well together. This is really fun. All right, so that's the July kit. Remember this memory planning stickers, all of these journaling cards, and then all these fun mandala little chipboard pieces. So you can totally make some really great summery, bright layouts with this. So I'm gonna get you started and show you what I can create shortly after this. So I'll see you right back. Okay, so what I did was go through all of these pretty pattern papers and cut out the word summer from each of them. I thought it was the best way to showcase all of the papers in the collection, which I really, really love all the colors. So of course I'm scrapping 2 pictures of my lovely daughter Valentina. These were actually taken by our sitter. She has this adorable little white like baby rocking chair, and anytime she ever is over there, she always sends over some really adorable pictures. So I did the summer big enough where I would stack the letters 3 on 3. And as I knocked my camera right there, and I've matted now the photos on the yellow piece of paper that I made the letter S in. So I will definitely start adhering down the letters for summer with just my ATG gun so that they stay very flat. What I also decided to do was keep the top photo flat, and then I will be popping up the second one on the bottom so that it has a little dimension and I can tuck some of the embellishments underneath it. But it worked out really good, and I was torn by a few of these pattern papers like the M and the U to use whichever side was the opposite, but I thought these gave the best contrast for the layout. So once that's done, I will start doing some embellishing. So here I said I popped up the second photo so that way it had some dimension, and then I love this floral, so I will cut it in half so I have a little bit of the bushel on the top of one photo and the bottom of the other. And that starts off kind of keeping all the colors in the family, but I love that I used like this gray wood grain one. So then I had an idea to use the sunny stickers in a kind of banner type-esque on the top. So I just wanted to use the bowl, and that way I had like landmarks to put the sunny instead of just keeping it straight. So I love the way that looks, and I'm just going to adjust the Y. And that worked out perfect. So it looks like it's just kind of hanging in the corner. So it's sunny summer. So cute. Hence we live in Florida. Now I get to embellish the rest, and I'm going to use a lot of these icons because they just work so perfectly for this layout. And I think it's a great way to kind of showcase the collection. Now, as I go through some of those tiny embellishments, I go a little crazy because I wanted to use all of these birds. I think they're great. So I wanted that to seem like it was sitting on the letter E, so I tucked his tail behind it. And then some of these little words too that say totally fun and sunshine and my happiness will all be used. I then will, and you see right on my desk right now that the Nouveau dots are out, and so I had this idea that I would outline the letters, and I do have a yellow as you can see there, but the yellow, I brought the wrong one. It's called Banana Split, and it should be like a butter yellow, but it's like the neon collection, so they dry to be like highlighter yellow, and I thought the color did not work really well with this layout because it doesn't match like the gold sunny color that the collection includes. It was just too much of a contrast. So I'm using a deeper pink, and then this is my turquoise, and then I have a lighter pink to go over the M, and then I'll just opposite do them for the bottom letters as well. So it adds a lot of detail, and I liked it because I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to make them all dimensional and stuff, so it was a
fun way after a while of being obvious to see how I can draw more details to it. Because I could have used probably like the whole sticker sheet, but I totally didn't. I'm going to save it for another layout. But this was a nice way to kind of use the same color families and get some more details to the layout. So you will see them on the close-up shots as well. So this collection is really fun. Like I said, go to the scrapbookingstore.com. I will leave the link down below. It's $14.95 a month, and you'll get these fun kits in the mail. So I think I'll probably play around with the Project Life cards and those chipboard pieces on the next one, but it's just to give you a head start on knowing how to use the collection, and it's super fun and vibrant, and if you have summer pictures, it's the perfect collection to start documenting those pool and beach photos from any vacations that you took. So there I am using some of the chipboard pieces as well. I thought that blue came out nice in the letter M, and then I only used like 2 from the planner stickers, but I do utilize every little piece in this collection. I hope you got some inspiration from this layout. I hope you have some fun summer pictures to scrap as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye!